It's no secret that Samsung is planning another smartphone release. Since the Note's demise, the second half of the year has been designated for the company's foldables, and this year will be no exception. Over the previous several months, we've seen a slew of Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5 leaks, giving us a good sense of what both phones will look like and how powerful they'll be. If you're looking for a phablet-sized foldable, recent leaks have left nothing to the imagination. Let's start with what seems to be a leaked official render, which was initially published on MySmartPrice. This picture corresponds to prior CAD renderings published in older leaks, highlighting several of its major modifications, notably the hinge. The graphic shows a phone that can fold entirely shut, a first for Samsung. It's long been speculated that we'd be receiving a new hinge that would eliminate the bothersome gap seen on previous versions, and these renderings seem to corroborate that. Hands-on experience with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 will be required to have a deeper grasp of the device's design and feel. However, based on the picture that has been published, the phone looks to have lower bezels around the inner display than its predecessor and Google's impending Pixel Fold. Aside from that, the design of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 seems to be quite identical to that of its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Flip 4, which is consistent with prior speculations that the design will stay mostly untouched. Yogesh Brar, a leaker, has confirmed the features of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The phone is believed to include a 7.6-inch AMOLED foldable screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, and an exterior display of 6.2 inches with an HD+ quality, according to the source. The device will most likely be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC with up to 12 GB of RAM, and 1 TB of storage. In addition, the phone is rumored to sport a triple rear camera arrangement with a 50MP primary sensor, a 4MP under-display selfie camera, and a 10MP camera on the exterior. The device is reportedly said to feature a 4,400 mAh battery with 25W charging, and run One UI 5 on Android 13. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.